to learn after we've learned about the sum and the product of a quadratic root. So the next thing is equation of a quadratic root. They might ask you, find the equation of a quadratic root. These are kind of questions you can see in your objective. So let's do it fast. Remember, I said, everybody pay attention, please. The general format of a quadratic equation is given as what? Ax squared, isn't it? Plus bs, isn't it? Plus c equals to, recall, I told you guys that anytime we have alpha plus beta, what's alpha plus beta? And anytime you have alpha dot beta, what's that? Now look at something very carefully. Is there a way I can form b over a and c over a in this equation? Is there a way? Yes, as in this b over a. Is there a way you can form it here? There is how. Factorize. Let me tell you the way. Look at this carefully. Where can I have b over a? Where is b over a can be possible? Where can it be possible? Under b. Where is c over a can be possible? Under c. So what should I do? Divide each term by what? A. You get it? So dividing all through by a, when I divide all through by a, I have what? Ax squared, yeah, money, plus bs c equals to 0. So each of the 10 divided by what? A. So this cancels this, isn't it? Are you with me? Yes. Can I write it like this? X squared plus b over ax. Yeah. Is it correct? Yes. Then c over what? A. Then what's this? That's 0. Now is it looking like that? Yes. Do we have b over a? Yes. Do we have c over a? Do you know I can input this into this? So let's see, look at it now. X squared plus, if I want to input b over a, what should I have? Minus must be outside. Because the minus will affect the what? The plus. So here should be what? Minus in bracket. No, it's b over a. Alpha plus beta, then x. Plus, looking at this side, alpha dot what? Beta is c over a. That means here will be written as what? Alpha dot beta equals to 0. Hence, the equation of a quadratic root can be written as x squared minus sum of root, then your x plus the product of root equals to 0. So that's the equation of a quadratic root. So let's solve a question. Sample 2. Sample 2. Find the equation of a quadratic root. Find the equation of a quadratic root and whose roots are 1 over 3 and minus 1 over 2. Find the equation of a quadratic root whose roots are 1 over 3 and minus 1 over 2. So let's solve this. Solution. Now in this question, it says find the equation of a quadratic root whose roots are 1 over 3 and minus 1 over 2. Remember I told you that a quadratic usually have how many roots? 2 roots. He said the first root should be called what? Alpha. And the other root should be called what? Beta. So we assume that alpha is what? 1 over 3. That's the first root. The other root should be what? minus 1 over 2. The question say find the equation. And what's the formula for equation? X squared minus any place I have alpha, I'll put 1 over 3. Any place I have beta, I'll put minus 1 over 2. Then the same thing applicable to alpha dot beta. So look at it now. I have here x squared minus in bracket alpha plus beta x, then alpha dot beta equals to 0. So what do I have? X squared minus, what's my half five one? 1 over 3 plus, don't forget it has negative sign, isn't it? I can put that in bracket minus 1 over 2, then the x is outside. Plus the other one, the same thing, 1 over 3 dot minus 1 over 2 equals to 0. So what do I have? X squared. If you look at this carefully, plus times minus. So I will have it as 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, then what? X. Then we have plus. When you try to multiply, 1 times minus 1, 3 times 2, 6. So here will be what? Minus 1 over 6 equals to 0. Who can tell what will be the LCM here? LCM is 6. Then what happened? 3 in 6, 2. 2 times 1, 2 minus 2 in 6, 3 times 1, 3. Isn't it? S plus, be careful, plus times minus. 1 over 6 equals to 2 minus 3 is what? S squared minus 1 over 6, then x minus 1 over 6 equals to, so the minus multiply the minus, that's what? S squared plus 1 over 6x minus 1 over 6 equals to, am I supposed to leave my answer this way? Why? A quadratic should never be in form of fraction. It should be a linear equation. So what do I have? Multiply all through. Multiply all through by 6. And what if I should do that? You know, 6 multiply each of them. What will I have here? 6x squared plus 1, or put x minus 1 equals to 0. This is it. That's how you find the equation of a quadratic root. Everybody, let's try this. Can I? Okay, let me give it time for you guys to write. Quadratic root, whose roots are solution. I told you that the first root you call it alpha, and that's minus 2. The second root you call it beta, and that's minus 3 over 4. What's the formula, everybody? S squared minus alpha plus beta s plus alpha dot beta equals to 0. So that means any place I have alpha, I'll put what? Minus 2 plus, automatically here will be what? Minus. I hope you get that, because there's a minus sign here already. That's 3 over 4. Then we have s plus alpha. Where is alpha? Minus 2 dot minus 3 over 4. Closing it, isn't it? Equals to 0. So guys, let's look at this. S squared minus, in bracket, this is a fraction. I can put it as 1, isn't it? Then LCM between 1 and 4 is 4. 1 in 4, 2, 2 times minus, sorry, 1 in 4, 4, 4 times minus 2, minus 8. Then we can put the minus, 4 in 4, 1, 1 times 3, 3. Then you cover the bracket. And this case, I can also put it as 1, minus times minus. Very good. 6 over what? 4 equals to 0. Let me decide. What do I have next? Minus 8 minus 3 is what? That minus 11 affects what? That's plus. So that's x squared plus 11 over 4x. Then plus 6 over 4 equals to, am I done? No. What happened? All through by what? So what will I have?
4x squared plus 1 1x plus 6 equals 0.